Yeah, I don't.
We travel far from our homes, our societies, our country. Some of us become diasporas. I don't know if diasporas is the right word. And along the way, we tend to miss most of the things. And some of the things we miss are the food. The foods which are described as according to the society we come from. The people you're going to meet traveled far from Northern Uganda, West Nile, and the other parts are Arua. So this place is called Arua Park. So these people created somewhere, it's like a street food, a restaurant where they can come and find their food. You know, they don't even miss their home, because what would make them miss their home is the food which they have in this place. So we are going to go inside there, check the foods out, and we get some of the stories from these people. We see what they have for us. So let's go and eat and enjoy that day. Finally, this is always my favorite part, to see food on the table, food in front of my eyes. So what do you have on this table, Councillor?
We have mostly African dish that come from northern part of Uganda.
Northern part of Uganda.
Yes.
So this is the place where those people can come and enjoy the food.
Yes.
Okay, how are these food prepared? I see most of them are pasted.
Yes, you know, we people from the upper country or the other part of Uganda.
Yes.
We basically believe in the pasted foods. This is how we were brought up. So we mostly eat pasted sauces.
So how much is the food?
We are not all that expensive, because the plates begin from 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and end up to 6,000.
Which one is the most expensive?
The most expensive one is the fresh fish, that is tilapia.
Tilapia.
That is 5,000. That is according to our.
So what else? What else do you have in this place apart from what we have on this table?
Apart from what we have from the table, we
Yes.
always have molokon, that is goat, yes. And then we also have chicken, which is not here, and then liver.
So when people hear about Ugandan food, they think about matoke, because it is the most one which people know.
Yes.
But from other societies, other cultures, they have their own staple food. Now we have kalo. Yes. So let us enjoy the dishes, and then we see where else to go. I think I will start with the offals, the intestines, the animal intestines. Am I supposed to chew, or I just swallow?
You chew.
Someone told me I have to just swallow.
No, you don't swallow.
Hey.
You just have to chew, because when you swallow, you may get stuck in the throat. There's what is called also salted fish. We call it angara.
Salted fish.
Salted fish. This is preserved with the salt, and it is salted. It has a lot of salt. We cook it without salt, and it is expensive also.
How much is it?
It's also a plate 5,000. We are selling it cheaply because our place is cheap. But in other places where you never know, when you go to Serena, it may also be another level. But this is our cultural food also. Yes. So salt that we use to preserve it makes it stay longer. It can even stay for 2 years without getting spoiled. Those old days, they didn't have these fridges. These days we have. But those days, they would use salt to preserve the what?
So that one is preserved by salt?
Yes. So it is called salted fish.
Okay, thank you so much for being part of it in the African way. You can tell us what you think about these foods in the comment section. And also, if you're from Northern Uganda, West Nile, far away from Eastern Uganda, I think this is the right place for you, where you can find your food far away from home. This is Arua Park.
This is Arua Park.
Occupied by people from north.
Mostly northern.
Okay.
People, yes.
There's a lot running behind the camera, but you know, not everyone is okay with the camera. They call me news reporter, a spy, but I'm now used to this. These are offals got from goat intestine, insides of the goat. So the video is going to be short, not so long, because we want to eat quickly. We leave this place, people to be free and enjoy their dishes.
And in Northern Uganda, we people we share food. We share the plate. As you are eating greens, I also eat. The other one also eat. I eat your offals. We don't. We share with each other. They said Uganda said to we enjoy with others. We like when we are enjoying it together.
So what do we have in this?
This one we have okra, that gobe. There's local magadi put in it.
What?
Magadi.
Magadi.
The local salt.
Yes. Magadi is what in Uganda? Chisula.
Chisula, yes.
They told you we share. You can come, be part of this video, be part of this table. Just come and join us through the screen. I don't like okra.
You don't like okra?
Yeah.
But
let me try it.
Okra is medicine. Okra is good, it's medicine.
What does it heal?
It's so greens are medicine. These witch doctors, they take advantage of what God has made. So any green is herbal. All those herbals are greens. This one helps mostly our women. You see women that comes from most part of that part. In times of production, we are creative. Yes. Because we eat such greens. This mostly, there's one time we did some research. These greens that we eat as sauce in other part of Uganda are used as medicine. These greens here, most people in Uganda region use it when a woman is pregnant. They bathe with it. When a baby is given birth, they say Simani, it is part of the chogero. So for us, it comes when we have already eaten. So the chogero comes when we are clear.
Chogero is just an extra.
An extra.
Oh.
Additional to what is here.
Hope you're watching and you're learning from this video. Yes. We have so much information from this lady.
In many cases, even when a woman is pregnant, this one does so much in the time of delivery. That's why you see most of our people, we don't go for operation. Yes, because of such greens, such sauce. We eat it as a sauce, but internally when it goes as a sauce, it works in two ways. Okay. One as medicine, one as sauce. You understand?
I'm also learning. I'm learning a lot. Yes. Thank you so much.
So women of our place rarely go for operation unless you have other additional problems. But if you don't have additional, this one helps you. As you are pregnant, it widens your waist. Okay. Your waist is widening.
So this is what she's talking about.
Yeah. They were in the called it bamia.
Hey, okra is bamia. So ladies who are watching this video, you know what to do now. You go into the market to buy enough okra for yourself and enjoy this. Is this also pasted or just?
It is not. This is not.
Oh, okay.
So with this fish called angara, it is full of bones.
Angala.
Salted fish, full of bones, but our culture allows it. When you are eating the bones, you are not to remove. You put everything in the mouth.
Wait.
It is the tongue that filters it.
You don't remove the bones?
No, you put everything in the mouth. So the tongue selects.
Let me try it.
But you will fail because it has bones. Yes.
So I'm not ready for the bones. Let me just have omuwola.
Be careful, there are still bones in that one.
Inside here?
Yes. Take care. I don't know. Police come and grab me here.
How long has it stayed in the fridge?
No, we don't put it in the fridge. The salt in it allows it to stay longer.
I think this has been kept for some time because when you eat it, it melts itself on your tongue. You feel like it is melting. There are so many foods which you are not going to see on this table. There are so many people working in this place with so many different foods, but here we are going to have only this because of time and because of the accessibility. And we're not going to go deep into how the food tastes or how much is it, because you have had most of that. But for how they taste, today we are just enjoying the dish to show you what you can find in this place. If you're from a different culture, you're not from Central Uganda, not from Western Uganda, but from North, Far East. This is a place for you where you can come and enjoy the dish. Even if you are from outside Africa and you want to come out and try different foods, this is also a good place for you. You can come here and get a full experience. So, Kansala,
Yes.
do you buy these foods from Central or you get them from Northern Uganda? Most of the foods I'm seeing here.
We buy them in Central because we don't have enough transport to transport them from home to here. And you see, Central is where
The center of all market.
the center of market. Yes. Even what you fail to get in the village, you get it here in Central.
Okay.
Yes.
As you're watching this video, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know where we can go next and what do you think about this video. Is there anything we missed out? You can let us know. We'll do that next time. This is what? Mud fish.
That is mud fish, Mali.
Male. But why is it called mud fish? Is it mud?
No, it is not actually mud because it stays mostly in mud. Madam Faraima is in this place. Where is she?
Okay, I think we have one plate we haven't tested. This is what?
This is Kolongo.
Kolongo. How is it? What is the English name of this?
It is also mud fish. Yes, Kolongo is mud fish.
Okay, those who are watching and you know how this is called, it's in our language it's called Nkolongo. Nkolongo. You can let us know in the comment section because we are here to learn from each other. I think I need to test.
It is the sweetest mud fish. Out of mud fish is sweet. But it has no meat. Only the head.
Only the head?
Mostly, the most part of it is the head. So the other language, they call it helicopter.
So, you said this is called the helicopter in another language?
Another language, yes.
Because of its head?
Yes.
Helicopter. Well, please, you can enjoy this. So, I think that is it for today. Catch up in the next video. Bye-bye for now.